In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable file download in Slack. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Slack using either the desktop app or your web browser, and enter your workspace where you manage your team settings. Once you are inside, look at the left side panel and click on Admin to open the administrative options for your workspace. From the Admin menu, select Workspace Settings, which will take you to the main settings page for your Slack workspace. On this page, move to the left side again and find the Security section. Then click on it to open the Security settings. Inside Security, scroll through the available options until you locate File Downloads, then click on it to open the Configuration panel. Once the File Download settings are visible, click Edit to allow changes to the current configuration. After entering Edit mode, look for the option labeled Block File Downloads for desktop and mobile. If this option is currently enabled, click on it to uncheck it based on your preference to allow file downloads. After making the adjustment, take a moment to review the setting to confirm it reflects the change you want. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the updated settings to your workspace. Slack will then update your configuration with the new file download permissions. After saving, file downloads will be enabled according to the option you selected, and will apply across your workspace on both desktop and mobile. You can return to the Security section and file download settings at any time if you need to adjust this option again in the future. Once the change is saved, the updated configuration will take effect immediately for your workspace.